What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. If you are new, help me out, smash that subscribe button. Thanks to everybody that has been subscribing. I really truly appreciate you guys, and everybody that has been ordering HSTL Supply Co. Thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate everybody that's supporting the company. And if you haven't yet, hstlsupplyco.com, link in the description. You guys go and grab your hoodie, grab your t-shirt. I'm gonna have more stuff coming out here soon, hopefully sooner than soon. And yeah, anyways guys, I'm starting my morning off. As you guys can tell, I'm in one of the groves. We have a crew picking out here. So this fruit right here is actually called a Seville. Let's see if it focuses on it right there. It's like worse than a damn lemon. This orange right here is actually used for like they make jam out of it. They use it for perfume, so like scents and stuff like that. They also use it for soda. So it's like really citrusy, really super sour. So I really don't recommend trying it. Full. So I was just going to explain a little bit more about it. So these bins right here are full. There's the forklift right there that's pulling the bins out and stacking them here, and then we have another forklift right here, as you guys can see, obviously, and that has a whole mechanism on the front of it that we mounted on there. That is called a bin dumper. Obviously the big rig isn't here yet, or else I would show you exactly what that forklift does. But that forklift, the bin dumper there, what it does is it'll pick up one bin and then it'll lift it to the top of the trailer, and it will, with the hydraulic rams, it will flip the bin over and dump it into the truck, into the container in the back of the truck. I got the report that I needed to get from this crew, and now I'm going to take it to Vicky, which does all my payroll. She's not going to be able to be at my office this week due to some stuff that happened. I'm taking this stuff to her at her place, and she's going to just remote into the computers in the office and do it from home. So luckily we could do that. Stop by to get a Monster. I've never tried this one. I don't know, have you guys ever tried this one right here? This one, it looks bomb. I always usually try to get the 0 sugar, 0 calories one. I know they're still bad for you, but whatever. It's a little bit better, I guess. That's so bomb. This is just the regular blue. Oh, I guess they just changed. I think they just changed the can or whatever, but it's literally the regular like light blue one that you normally get, just with 0 sugar, 0 calories, and all that stuff. So bomb. Oh man, what is this truck doing? Ford owners, I swear. So I normally don't talk about like personal stuff that happens to me or to my family or anybody of that nature. I normally don't talk about that on social media, on YouTube or anything like that. But what happened this weekend was just fucking insane. Like, it was crazy. Like, it's not even scary, it's just like sickening that someone would even do that. Like, I need to get to explaining. My mom starts talking and said, "Did your dad tell you about the whole letter thing?" And I was like, "The letter thing? What are you talking about?" And so she's like, "Yeah, last night I guess someone left a bunch of letters underneath their gate." Now where they live, they have like this huge gate out front. Like, their entire house is gated. It sits inside of like probably like a 2 to 3 acre, like it's probably a 2 acre yard that it's his personal yard, and it's all gated. And somebody left a stack of papers. I'm not even kidding you, dude. The stack, I'll have to show you when I go to his house. Literally, dude, the stack is probably this tall of like handwritten papers. Like some dude was like writing a song, but like hating on, I don't know if it was my dad or we just really don't even know who it is. We don't know who he's trying to say this towards or stuff, but it's just a bunch of hate and like some threatening stuff in that stack, which is insane. Like, it's fucking crazy. Like, why would you even go out of your way to write that much? Like, literally every paper is like written front, back, like even like color coded, and like it says like for instance, like one will say like red blows up, blue does this, and brown. And so it's like a little list of stuff, and then he'll go on with this song that talks about the red, blue, brown, and then also white. At the stop sign, and it's just crazy. Right, and it's all written in Spanish. And so I sat there literally for a few hours just going through a lot of these papers. I didn't even finish them, dude. This is like probably like 3 years worth of writing, which is what it looked like when he dated stuff. And he was talking about some chick in there with his daughter, and the one paper that got me, that I was just like, what the like, how this paper said it said, it's all written in Spanish and like fucked up writing, and it said, when I go in, I'm gonna be wearing red underneath, blue on top, and brown in the middle, which was really weird. And then and something with white over everything, right? So it said that, and then at the bottom, and then it said, is Patricia here? And then right underneath of that it said yes or no, like wanting someone to circle it and answer it. And in 4 miles, under left onto West El Monte Way. I'm sorry, this thing just keeps going on. But so underneath where it said is Patricia here, it said yes or no. And then it said, is Blanca here with her, which I think that's the daughter, according to other papers that I had read. And it said answer yes or no. And then the freaky part was, it's the bottom at the very end of this paper, it said my dad's gate code, his personal gate code to go into his house, that you type in on the keypad outside. It had that gate code, and it said, is this how I go in? Yes or no? Should I go in? Yes or no? Like, what the fuck? Who in their right mind would even think of writing some shit like this, you know? And the other one too that was threatening was, it said, don't worry, I'm not gonna make you lose your shine, and no need to call the cops. I'm not gonna do anything right now, but I just want you to know what I'm capable of doing. My nephew that's a cop, he's gonna come and check out those letters, and we're probably gonna call the sheriffs, and they're gonna obviously gonna put a report on it just so it's documented. My nephew said we at least need to document it because we don't know who it is. There is some names in there, like he'll talk about like David's friend, and it's so weird. There's some different names like this Patricia and Blanca. There's a phone number in there. I tried calling, it just went straight to voicemail, of some like lady that doesn't even, it just, none of it makes sense. Well, anyways, when I get to my parents' house, I will show you guys the stack, and I'm gonna be installing some cameras for my parents today. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of share that with you guys, so you guys just need to watch out. Like, just be careful with who you guys talk to, and like I just literally, dude, this is just insane. Like I literally wanted to like stay there last night and spend the night and sit in my truck, park my truck out there, and just sit in there and just wait to see if someone would show up. Like, literally, that's what I want to do. Like, nobody is touching my family, dude. Like, nobody's gonna touch my parents. Like, no. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go drop off this report that I need to drop off. Sorry for that long ass talk, but it's an interesting story. Like, it's just crazy. Like, I've only seen this kind of shit on like TV shows, like, and that's what's like kind of trippy, you know? It's like you watch all these TV shows, and now here it is, like, this is shit like really happens. Like, there's crazy people out there. So I'm actually pulling up to my parents' house right now, and I'll show you exactly what I mean on like how their yard is, like where they're all gated and stuff, and like the keypad and like where they drop those stupid letters off. So yeah, let's see, here we are. So you pull up in here, right? Let's see, focus this. So that's where that's my parents' gate right here, and you pull up and see how it's all gated here. And the keypad is right there. Let me show you. Phone. So the keypad's right here, and they literally slid the notes underneath the gate right there, which is really, really weird. Yo, so I ran inside. Dude, look at this. This is that pile of paper that I was talking about. This is all the shit that guy wrote. Whoever this guy was, you're crazy, dude. You're fucking crazy. Look at this, like, literally, like, not even kidding. And remember how I was telling you about, he talks about blue? He got this paper because it has blue on it. He straight up wrote azul and then, like, described what he means by it. Really, which doesn't even make sense. It's so, like, not even kidding you guys, like, this is insane. What did that say? There we go. It's fucking insane, dude. Driving home now, so I ended up connecting the cameras. I didn't end up putting them up where they need to go, so I'm gonna go do that early in the morning just because it got dark. We ended up like going over more of those papers that they had left, and my nephew had got there, and we were just it just got dark. We did connect the cameras though. Everything is good to go, so tomorrow I honestly just need to go and drill some holes and put the cameras up, and that is literally it. Everything's ready to go. So, but we ended up going to dinner, and I am finally now on my way home. That is going to be it for today's vlog. If you guys made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. I know it probably wasn't such a fun vlog to watch, but staying consistent, and I'm going to continue to stay consistent. So thank you guys, everybody that's been subscribing. If not, please smash that subscribe button. Like squad, as always, hit that like button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.